As easy as a mobile phone for your vehicle, on 4850, the first mobile 5G data center. Mobile phones are really cool. I've got all the apps I need on it. I can make calls, chat, listen to music, do my homework, stream films. So I've got everything I need every day right here on my phone. It would be a real pain if I needed a separate mobile phone for each new app. Buses, trains and trams need something that works as easily as my mobile phone. On public transport, everyday life looks different. Various systems are installed, and every application needs separate hardware, software, antennas and mobile lines. The ON 4850 data center is like a mobile phone for your vehicle. It brings together a range of different applications on a single device. You can download any apps to it, update them and simply delete them when they're no longer cool. The different applications support each other, yet do not interfere with one and another. With wireless LAN, mobile communications, 4G, 5G, the ON 4850 mobile data center has everything you need on the move to communicate, stay up to date, or even work. And best of all, you don't need an IT degree or any complex configurations to run the ON 4850. Plug it in, configure, and off you go. ON 4850, the first 5G mobile data center, as easy as your mobile phone. We would be happy to answer any questions you may have. Onway, not one way.